Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please do so. And if you have one of my little doll babies.
Hi doll baby, how are you?
So happy that you are here. So I have a special video for you today. It is a wig review of this beautiful girl, but I wanted to do an edit-free full install, meaning from the point of me installing this wig start to finish, there's no edit, so you can see the full time that it took for me to put this girl on and be ready and out the door. I was inspired to do this because now there's going to be edits before and after because I have
to be cute with the editing.
But the actual install will be not edited, so you can see exactly how long it took me to put it on and exactly what I did. I was inspired to do this because I am back to my office working now, and I haven't been in the office for 19 months, and so just getting back into the routine and getting ready and doing all that, I wanted to help those of you who are in the same boat or just new to wigs and like the whole routine of like putting them on and all that, how long it actually takes. And this particular wig, this is a lace parting wig, and I wanted to show you some options of wigs that do not have to take as long. So I think I'm going to do a couple of different of these so that you can see what types of wigs may not take as long. If I find a wig that is a shorter install, I will, make sure that I do it in this sort of format. So if you like this format, please let me know. And you could let me know by A, giving me a thumbs up, and B, by letting me know down below. So, quickly, because I gotta go to work, who are we talking about? We are talking about Models Elvia, and I know Kit Kat. She's like, what is happening? I have Elvia in the color PB30. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in some colors. Most of them are just your, more natural-esque colors with some highlight. She is a 5-inch lace parting wig, which means that she just has lace right at the parting area, and then the rest is a basic cap. I'll show you the cap construction right there. And she is a right-sided part. You could shift her just a hair. She does have bendable ear tabs, which is really, really nice. And it's really nice for your mask, which I do have to wear. I don't have to wear my mask in my actual personal office, but I do coming in and out of the building, so that's nice.
And
oh, this one's really cute. The PB27 with just that little bit of lighter highlight. And I scooped up Miss Elvia from Ms. Barn for $15.13. So this is her. She is a light yaki texture, which means she has some texture. I get my mirror out so I can show her from the back. Have some texture, so wherever you kind of put her and place her, she's gonna stay, which is so nice. She's got this nice curl to her. You could sort of like leave it like this, or you could piece it out more if you wanted to. She's probably in that 12-inch range. Very comfortable. I didn't adjust her, and I am wearing a wig cap. I'm not wearing any like I shaved all of my hair off completely. She's comfortable. I wouldn't say she's overly large, but she's definitely comfortable, and I think she probably could stretch because she does have sort of that full cap. But if you are in need of a pretty larger wig cap, I'm not sure she would work 100% for you.
Let's look at her from the back.
Kit Kat's like, what are you doing, lady? It's time for me to go to sleep. Yeah, look at those. Oh my gosh, this PB30 is just enough of a little highlight and so cute. This is perfect for work.
Perfect!
Like my little friend's mirror. You're my lobster. You are my lobster.
Because she's your lobster. You have to picture lobsters.
Anyway, yeah, I love this. And so I'm going to get into the clips of me, not the clips, the actual part of me getting her together without me cutting up the clips, so you know exactly what I did, how long it took me. And yeah, I'm loving this girl. Very comfortable, loving the ear tabs. I didn't pluck anything. You'll see exactly what I did, but I basically just put her on, powdered, and go. So let's get to that, and then you will see my final thoughts. Okay, bye. Okay, let's get started with the install with no stopping and no edit, so you can see exactly how long this will take. I'm gonna shake her out real quick just to loosen up her curls. I feel like I don't want to wear a wig cap today, so we're gonna see what happens. We're not gonna wear this wig grip. I'm trying not to like purposely speed, because like, you know, normally you wouldn't be just like rushing around like super crazy, but I do only have, I only have a few minutes like in real life to get to work. So that was the whole point of doing this. I'm going to take a wig cap with me to work just in case, but for right now I just don't feel like wearing one. Like you really should, and I will put one on a little bit later. Okay, so this is a right-sided part, so I need to slide this over a little bit. Put her on. My hair's coming back in just a hair. My hair's coming back in a hair from when I shaved it. I think I'm going to shave it one more time evenly, and then I'm going to let it grow back in and just see what happens. All right. She's so cute. Like there's really not much that needs done to her. I'm just gonna fix up. This is why it's like so quick and easy with these lace parts. I'm just gonna fix up with my hot comb here. Just lay it down a little bit. This is my personal preference. You do not need to do this. It's on 410 degrees. Got baby hair, so I just want to comb them through. Yeah, see that right here? Just tame them a little bit. This does have like a heat guard on it so that you could do it without worrying about burning yourself. I have a full review on this that I can share with you. Okay, let me just comb through her. Oh my gosh, so cute. Put some powder. Let's work my nail, people. So I started this new technique with my brows, using that soap brow technique, but with other, since I don't really have a lot of natural brows, I used the soap brow technique just as a foundation, and then I use some other things. So if you want a video on that, let me know. And I'm just gonna take my toothbrush just to like the residual gel that's on here, just to sort of tame the baby hairs, because the baby hairs on these lace part wigs from Model and Free Tress, because I'm convinced it's the same company, they tend to be just a little bit more coarse than the rest of the hair. And a little bit of hairspray to keep it out of my face, because you know how I feel. I can hear the dishwasher, and it To me, it sounds like music. So I'm like, my son should be at school. Why? Yeah, and there we go. And the counter is 5 minutes and 19 seconds, and that is it. So that is the full install. Yay! So if you like these types of videos, please let me know and I will do more of them. And if you want to see more model wigs, then check out my playlist that is listed down below. If there's a wig you'd like to see that isn't in there, you can go ahead and request it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!